Alright, morning guys. It's Cole here. Today, we're out on the river doing some fishing. It's kind of a cold one today. It's like 32 out. But, I mean, that might work out for us for fishing. Fish might be into it. So, probably, slash kinda hopefully, we hook into some fish. If you guys like these fishing videos, be sure to let me know down by liking it. You could also comment. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, because I do make a lot of fishing videos, biking, and I'm going to work on some camping stuff like that for you guys. So, anyways, let's just go and crank some hogs. Okay, what we're tossing today is a little Clio. It's kind of like one of the bigger ones, but it's okay. And it's kind of older. It's usually more golden, but you know. Boys, first catch of the day. It was a baby Chinook salmon, is what I'm going to say. It doesn't have the little fin back here, which is kind of interesting, but hey, that works. The hook was kind of weird on him. I'm going to see if he could get out there. Oh, oh, oh. There he goes. He's kind of doing it. Oh yeah, he's chilling. Oh. Look at that, another one. Whoa. Another little guy. They are pretty. Alright, there he is. There he goes. Back into the deep. Again, we're hooked up. I hope this is not what the day's gonna be like. Okay, well I changed it up from the little Clio into a Panther Martin. We are the Dink boys here. Bro. Oh, this is actually a rainbow trout. Cool. I thought that was another Chinook. We got a nice little juvenile rainbow trout here. Out here catching a whole bunch of species. Good thing is we haven't caught any squawfish yet. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay. Okay. I think I might try to move out of the spot, but I think these guys are throughout the whole river right now. So, it's gonna be an interesting video. Alright, boys. So I headed out of my original spot because I was gonna walk up the river and go fish another river that flows into that river, but it kind of turned into some swamp, and that was not really what I want because I don't really have waders on right now. But we're pulling up on spot number 2. We're gonna see how this spot is. I think we might be able to get maybe a good trout, maybe a steelhead. You know, I'm not sure. We're just gonna have to find out. So let's just go and do that. Alright boys, I just hooked up into a bigger fish. It popped off. I was just about to leave the spot, but now I guess I'm not. Alright boys, hooked up into a bigger trout. Let's get him up here. Oh, come on up here. Look at that nice little guy. I don't think quite a steelhead, but this came up with the boys. Oh, there he goes, boys. Got the boy off. Nice little trout. Not 100. I don't think that was a steelhead. Might be a little juvenile one, heading down to the ocean or whatever. But that was a pretty one. Cool. Hopefully we can hook up into some more trout. Alright boys, so tragedy kind of struck. GoPro died, that's why I didn't really get an outro. Not really good. I thought I could like connect it to my phone and have like, you know, delete some of the footage off the camera so I could get a nice outro, but that didn't really happen. And now I'm here. I didn't really catch anything else. I caught like another smaller trout and then hooked into like another one, but you know, it popped off. But anyways, I have my boy Shorty here. He's my dog, wiener dog. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to go down, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. But yeah, I do make a lot of these like videos. I do make a lot of fishing, biking, and I'm also planning on doing some camping, catch and cooks, stuff like that. A lot of good content's gonna come out for the channel soon, so